All right, so in this video we're going to talk about national consumption. All right, so in Keynesian analysis, the national consumption, denoted by C of Y, is related to the disposable national income, which we denote by Y. Just to note, C of Y and Y are going to be in trillions of dollars in all of our problems. Okay, so we have national consumption is a function of disposable national income. Now we're going to introduce two derivatives. So the first derivative is called the marginal propensity to consume. It's the derivative of this national consumption with respect to the disposable national income, this Y. And we have the marginal propensity to save, and that is denoted by ds dy, and it's the complement of dc dy. It's 1 minus dc dy. Equivalently, dc dy is 1 minus ds dy. So the marginal propensity to save is 1 minus the marginal propensity to consume, and vice versa. All right, so if we have either of these derivatives, we can find the national consumption. If we know dc dy or ds dy, we can find C with an antiderivative. And let me give you an example. So let's say consumption, national consumption, is 20 trillion when the disposable national income is 0, and the marginal propensity to consume is dc dy equals 2y plus 81 to the negative 0.25 plus 0.8. And the goal is to find the national consumption, C of Y. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this derivative, this dc dy, and we're going to antiderive it to find C of Y. So C of Y is the antiderivative of 2y plus 81 all to the negative 0.25 plus 0.8. Separating this into two integrals, we'll get the integral of 2y plus 81 to the, let's write this as negative 1/4. And then we can do this second integral right off the bat. It's just going to be 0.8y plus c. Be careful here. This c, this is not C of Y. This is just a constant. It's not C of Y. All right, so now let's do u substitution. So u is going to be 2y plus 81. du is going to be 2 dy, or equivalently dy is going to be 1/2 du. And then this integral will become the integral of u to the negative 1/4, 1/2 du. And we'll copy the 0.8y and the c from earlier. Okay, now we can use the reverse power rule to antiderive this u to the negative 1/4. We get u to the 3/4 all over 3/4. Again, we'll have the 0.8y and the c from earlier. And then we'll back substitute our 2y plus 81 for u. So we'll get 2y plus 81 to the 3/4. Dividing by 3/4 is the same as multiplying by 4/3. So I'm going to move that 3/4 to beside the 2y plus 81. And then we'll simplify the coefficient here. We'll get 2/3 2y plus 81 to the 3/4. All right, so that's our national consumption. We still don't know the C, still unknown here. So we need to go back to our initial statement, and we'll note that the national consumption is 20 trillion when the disposable national income is 0. So the left-hand side is 20 when y is 0. And 81 to the 3/4, that's 27. So we'll get 2/3 of 27 plus C equals 20. 2/3 of 27 is 18. So C must be 2. And then we go back and we put that C in, and we have our national consumption. All right, I hope you found this video useful.